Hi, welcome to our 50th tutorial about HTML, and today we are actually going to focus on how to create links. A good website, of course, it has links. How could it be when you had a website where there are no links? You realize it should be a boring one. Navigation is really important and should be considered when making a website. So today we are going to look at that. And now how do you add a link to a website? It could be a good question around. Links are added using what we call an anchor tag. An anchor tag. An anchor tag is represented by this, by this. That's an anchor tag. That's an anchor tag. It's represented by a into the tag, right? So this anchor tag, within it is what we call the href. That one, it actually shows the destination of where to pick the link that you're actually pointing to. So in this tutorial, we are actually going to look at the tool, how to use the tool to come up with a link in a website. Linking, actually there are two things involved in linking. You can link either to an outside website or within a section in a website. But for today's tutorial, we are going to look at how to link a website to an outside website or to an outside URL link. Okay, so here let's get started. Well, like you all know, we have our doc type, declaration, HTML, header, and now we are in body. Body is where we are going to paste to post our link so that it can be linked to an outside website or web page. Well, let's get started, and of course we can just have something here embedded within this, and then we say maybe a paragraph, and then we say paragraph, and then we say probably please come on, please click here to watch my YouTube videos. So I'm imagining we are creating a link that's going to help create a YouTube, to help link to a YouTube link. Okay, I'm imagining we are going to create a link that's going to link our website to another YouTube link where you can watch videos. Probably now we have two websites, or we have a website, but outside there is somewhere we store our videos, and that's the YouTube link. So this is what we're actually going to do. We open our paragraph has been opened from here, okay, right here, and then of course below here we can close, because you can easily forget if you don't close right now. So what we are going to do is actually embedded within this. Okay, so well, we have made an introduction part and say click here, but this is not part of what we are going to show. Okay, this is not part of our link. It's just a plain text that will appear on a website to instruct the person navigating around our website to click whatever they will see. So let's get started to the link. So to do that, we are going to have what you call a tag, an element, an anchor element. Okay, now anchor element will be introduced. Right now, once you introduce that, like I said, inside that there's what we call the h reference. This is actually the one that shows the destination of the link that we're supposed to link to. Okay, so when we open that reference, this is what happens. you now get to equal signs. Yeah, you're now giving it the source. Equal signs, you open quotes, and inside there you put your link. Okay, you put your link, and now my link, I'll get it here. I'll get it here. Copy link. After getting my link, I come and then post it there. Okay, after posting my link, I close that. Hope you're getting it. I'm closing this. Okay, it's the opening tag. Okay, this is the opening tag, but inside it is having a H reference, like pointing to where my videos are. Okay, now after doing that, I get here, and then I now put what my audience should read, because this link we are putting here is not seen. It's not seen because it is inside a tag. You can see it is inside an element. You can see that. You can see that here. So I come here and say what is the name of, okay, I can say this is KAWA. Okay, KAWA YouTube page, yeah, something like that. And then I'll come here, and then I close my anchor. All right, yeah, we can save that. Go to save as, file, save as. This is link, we can call it link.html. That's just a title. It's just a title you're giving it to. This, we can now save this on our desktop, which is right here, and then we say save. Okay, so on doing that, we come to our desktop, right? You find it here. Alright, so when you click there, that's what you get. It shows please click here, and this is actually what you do. So when I click here, definitely it has to take me to the YouTube, my YouTube. So currently I'm now connected to the YouTube channel for KAWA. Okay, so this link is actually linking us to an outside page, and now it has linked us to ICT KAWA web development course, which is currently happening right now. So that is it. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen, for listening to me, and that marks the end of today's tutorial. And in the next tutorial we shall look at how we can link within the current section or within the page section that we are working on. So thank you so much for watching this video. Like I always keep saying, you can go to our YouTube channel, like it, and then get to watch more videos, or you visit us at www.kawa.sc.ug, or write to us or email us at info@kawa.sc.ug. yeah, you can also reach me on my website at isaacmatz.com, or you can email me at isaacmatz@kawa.sc.ug, or you can actually reach me there, and then we start to share more information about what we had discussed today. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Bye bye. See you.